Hi folks, how are you guys? I'm Dr. Meghanathan again, the Managing Director of Performance Consulting Group. So today I'm planning to say about one of our most important activities in our consulting company. So we have been pioneers in this. We've been doing this consulting for last more than 23 years full time, and one of the major focus area that we started with is implementing lean. So now we call it as WCM through lean, that is world class manufacturing through lean concepts. We have developed our own 16-point criteria to certify a company as world class manufacturing, and many companies have got their own model, but we developed it over a period of last 23-25 years of experience, and rather very successful experience implementing in more than 150 companies, starting from small, medium, and large and very large companies. So as I've been saying, there are about 16 point where we decide which decides a company into world class in our opinion. But this applies more to towards manufacturing industries. The first and foremost is a single piece flow or small lot flow. How best you are able to follow single piece flow or small lot flow, it is going to actually help you to decide your material flow. Material flow is nothing but money flow. So you need to look at how fast you are able to move your material from your incoming store to reaching your customer. So first and foremost is single piece flow. Second important thing is your cycle time should be equivalent to or less than takt time, or rather I would say ideally speaking it should be 80% of your takt time. That is how your capacity has to be planned, and 100% okay for all critical parameters to be introduced, and your manning should be as per takt balance chart, not as per availability or as per Vincent Frank's supervisors. Your incoming quality should be to be targeted to the level of 50 ppm. Also your in-house quality across organizations, starting from the first process to PDI, should be less than 50 ppm. So that's the only way you'll be able to achieve 0 ppm at your customer level. And you should look at least autonomous maintenance as one major parameter to look at. All your dies and tools should be calibrated and certified after every lot production before starting for next, and should be accountable to society. So what kind of CSR activities we do, what kind of statutory requirements you take care will be one criteria, and all international quality standards applicable to you, so maybe IATF or ISO 27000 or OSAS 18000 or 14001, those things will be one criteria. And how sincerely you follow APQP and achieve this APQP process is going to be one more major criteria. And your CPK at all the processes should be more than 1.67. So like that we have about about 16 criteria for world-class manufacturing. Like information should be flawless, information flow should be flawless. So this is how we arrived at our world-class manufacturing criterion, and for each and every criterion we have our own way of detailed auditing of it, and then identify the risk areas and keep correcting it, and so that in every criteria you excel. So that is how you become world class. To do that, we help you to implement the complete lean concept, starting from identifying Muri and eliminating them, putting 5S into place, introducing Kaizen systems, and going through the complete lean study process, following SWCT, and making dancing chart, finding out flow flaws, finding out NVAs and VA content, and do work analysis. We call it ERCR method, eliminate, reduce, combine, and resequence method, to come out with action plan, so which will reduce drastically your NVA content, all your flow flaws, all your 3M content, and your unsafe conditions, and your flow flaws, and also focus on putting 3C into place, so that first in first out can be maintained, and also the quality of components and products can be intact. So we put all these things by implementing it, and we help you to become world-class manufacturing. So this is how we do it, and it takes, depending upon the size and maturity of the company, it takes anywhere from 2 years to 3 to 4 years to come out and say, okay, now we have become world class, we started practicing world class. So this is how we do it, and please contact us for any this kind of requirements, and all the best to all of you. Thank you.